Good morning. Just got to a new job site. It's an industrial building. Backed in here, but this is a 5-acre industrial property that has some green space around it. So they want it cleaned up. They had a guy with a mulcher come in the past that has retired, so no longer doing it. The last 2 days didn't film at all. I didn't even take pictures. I was on a job out in Gaston, Oregon, which is close. I was on a big farm job, and then these two jobs were just very close by, so I just scheduled them in a row instead of moving the machine all around. But it was so dusty that I didn't film at all. So he wants it cleared back to where obviously it's been mowed before, but just push the line a little bit. He doesn't want to get close to those houses back there, and so I'm just going to push the line a little bit, and I'll check in, see if it's good or if you want some more, and go from there. Eat up this dead stuff, this fallen broken tree. Hopefully not get poison oak again. Just had poison oak. And it's not just poison oak. I got it systemically. So, not only did I have it where I touched it, but also had it pop up all over my body. It was horrible. Had to give me steroids to knock it off. So anyways, that corner back there, I'm gonna go around here, this corner. This hillside. It's kind of thick in here, not too bad. Just warn me behind that big tree right there. It's a big ditch or something. So anyways, kind of the same thing. We're trying to even mow, push it back a little bit. We'll come clean up under this tree. I'm gonna come through here. Get this in here. Clean this up a bit. And then the property line basically is to that tree there and then this bigger tree here. So just go down there a little bit. So that's it. Quick job in and out one day. All right, I'm all done. Battery's almost dead. Hopefully I can do a walk around before it dies. If not, I've got another battery. We'll try again. So anyways, said Hillsboro, Oregon, Here are all the private jets going. This is where Intel, Nike, big corporations in the Portland area are. And so probably the busiest private jet airport in the Portland area. But we're able to expand it quite a bit, clean it up. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon, so it wasn't even a full day job. But they were grateful to find someone with a mulcher in the area. They had a guy that's done it in the past that retired, so they were looking for someone with a mulcher, and there I was. So there was a dead widowmaker sitting in that tree. I should have videoed it. Pulled it down with a tow strap. It was a little sketchy. I was worried for their shed and me fixing their shed. But anyways, like I said, turned out really good. A lot bigger than it was, expanded. I'm gonna keep walking fast, so hopefully the battery doesn't die. They're really happy. Looks good. And the plan is to be back in 2 years. I started the business 2 years ago, almost exactly 2 years ago. And so getting some return clients now, which is always obviously nice. So anyways, just about to the end. Check out, there was a tree here.